Hello from Svinö, a small island located in Kalmar, right before the bridge starts towards Öland. And it's a quite beautiful beach indeed, that has quite large sandy part that you can see, and overlooks the Öland Bridge. It is being maintained by Kalmar municipality, and apart from the sandy part in the most beautiful nature, it has also a jetty that I'm going to use to take a swim. The third one for today on this wonderful 20th of June. It is 10 a.m. exactly right now, and it is 18 degrees Celsius both in the air and in the sea. Look at that, look at the bridge. Isn't it amazing? I'm not sure why, but it looks so fascinating. It's actually only a bridge that you can cross by a vehicle, such as car, truck, or bus, as it is not allowed to cycle on the bridge based upon a decision from the traffic department in Sweden. So yeah, I have been walking around the whole island over here, all the way from Jutnabaden, Jutnabensbadplats. It was a very tough name, but yes, Svinö, it is this island over here, and then it's time for us to take a swim for the third one for today in Kalmar. And yes, this is day 2 of my vacation, vacation as I call it, and I'm so glad that I am exploring Sweden in the summer, because summer is the best time of the year to explore Sweden. And tonight we're gonna have the longest day, actually today, June 20th, and officially the summer starts, the calendar year summer starts today as well. To be fair, the summer started in already in April and early May in Stockholm, but that's the meteorological summer, because it was quite warm and nice. The water looks absolutely amazing, and overlooking the bridge, it's quite a beautiful setting indeed. So then let's get ready for a swim here in Svinö, Kalmar. Let's go! Now that was an unusually long dive, but I really enjoyed it a lot. It was beautiful. Indeed, I can stand over here, so it's not that deep. And let me show you around. So that's the sea, that's Kalmar in the distance. Here we have Svinö, and then we have the Öland Bridge that I'm going to pass tomorrow, actually, as I'm heading to Öland. Alright, cool. Then that's a wrap from this beautiful beach with the scenery of the Öland Bridge. It's Svinö. Thank you so much for watching, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris!